Gathered here are desk officers, school debate coaches and judges in public primary schools in southern Nigeria, and they are here for a workshop with the theme Train the Trainers National Workshop for Schools Debate Coaches and Judges. The event is organized by the President's Schools Debate Nigeria in collaboration with the Universal Basic Education Commission and the Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board.
As we all know, debate is an essential skill that helps the learners to develop their critical thinking, research, communication skills, and foster their teamwork, creativity, and problem solving.
It's a way of punctuating somebody's debate speech. I mean, they have a debate and say, POI. Many people say POI, just interrupt me for about 15 seconds. And when you interrupt me, what you do is to either ask a question or counter what I've just said. And it is done during a debate match. It's allowed. But you must not spend more than 15 seconds.
And the president is a group of individuals who work together to achieve common goals and objectives. And in this wise, what do we want to achieve? We want to have a team, a formidable team that will bring glory to our different schools, that will bring glory to our different schools.
Speaking at the event, the National Coordinator, President Schools Debate Nigeria, Elder Dari Oritu, said the program aims to build and train debate coaches and judges by encouraging intellectual development, public speaking, and leadership skills among the young ones.
The teachers need to know the integrity of how to coach their student. The judges need to know how to adjudge students. That is why we are teaching all teachers in Nigeria, so that they won't lag behind. Where the participants is to do well, to face what they are here to do, because they will reap the work very soon.
The executive chairman, LASUBEB, Dr. Akim Shitu, affirmed the participants at the workshop will be updated with modern trends in debates, which will make them better coaches and judges.
As you know, debate is something that is global. They go for global competitions and all this. And so for them to be able to participate and effectively in the global events, they are being trained and being taught new things that have been introduced, informed. They have introduced new rules in debating. They are expected to be exposed to this new training, new knowledge as regards debating, and again to go and cascade and go back to their various states to expose their colleagues to this, whatever they might have learned here.
Participants shared the knowledge acquired and expressed their heartfelt gratitude to the organizers for putting the training together.
I've learned how to coach my pupils to be a better, eloquent speaker, to be confident, to be a good listener, to come out and talk and communicate with people at any time and for them to be a champion. Big thank you to PSSDN for gathering all the coaches and the panel of adjudicators. Is about training the trainers, and I think I've really gained a lot.
How to be a good judge, of course, and the things to look out for in a judge, so that you give your kids confidence. But there's one or two things a judge might say and knock the kids off. So those are some of the things we're looking at. Growing up, we had all those jet clubs in schools and all that. So bringing this back is like revisiting it, because it will help the kids.
I've learned that there is good for this kind of program, that one should be coordinated and be himself and very honest for the program to run effectively. Because if the judge or the organizers are biased, the aim of the program will not be achieved. So but for us to get the program run very well, we have to be very, very optimistic and steadfast and be truthful.
The President's Schools Debate was founded as part of an initiative to promote debating culture in Nigerian schools and also encourage students to engage in intellectual discourse.